Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty, pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a tutorial on these fall locks. They're 36 inches, very long. I'm using the Ali Miriam soft lock hair, and I'll leave that in the description box. So just really quick, I didn't want to take you guys through the whole entire process because it's so easy, it's simple. All I did was around my whole head, I did these twists. And as you can see, I started off the twist as like a regular braid and then I twisted it towards the end. What I will say is, if you're going to do this method or try this method, to do it with your hair color. I wouldn't recommend doing this, like what I'm about to do, with like a color that doesn't match your hair, because you're trying to make your twist blend in to the lock. So the first thing that I just did was I did a bunch of these braids. I braided the whole entire head like this with these twists. I put Shine and Jam at my roots. You can use Let's Jam, any kind of like holding gel, just put them at your roots so it's kind of like smoother, and then try to make sure you get these braids really tight at the root so that it's not loose. And the hair that I got, it comes with 21 strands on a loop, and it's 4 packs just like that. And then they also provide you with a crochet needle, and they also give you some cute little hair decals. So let's get into how I got these locks in my hair. So it comes like this. It's gonna come on one of these, and then you're gonna of course have 21 loops on here. And right now I only have about 6 more to do, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna do it slow, and then I am going to do a fast version of you guys just seeing how it goes in. So typical crochet, nothing crazy here. You have your loop on the end of your thread, so I just want to show you that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your crochet needle and you're just gonna pop that right through, and then you're gonna grab your lock, put your lock in the loop, and then you just want to lock that in, pull it through a little bit, hold your finger in the loop, pull the hair through that loop, and then you're gonna pull your knot. And then now, normally we see people take this and they crochet it into the lock. I'm not doing that today, guys. Just going to kindly just twist that right in. Just twist that right into the lock. And boom, that's it. Nothing else. You just literally twist that right into the lock. Again, super easy. I think this is the fastest individual way. I really wanted to be able to style my dreads, put them up, put them down, put them in two. Like, I wanted to be able to be very versatile with these. I also didn't want to take a lot of time to put them in, because you know, doing 80 of these box braids before putting in the locks is going to take a lot of time. I also didn't want to do the cornrow method because I feel like it doesn't look as natural up, or when you style it, it's kind of bulky in the back or in the middle. So I definitely recommend this method. Doing the twist definitely save time. Definitely save time. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up and let you guys just watch me do that. And as you can see, done just like that. So in total, this took me a total of 3 hours to complete. You gotta factor in the time to do the twists and then just getting them crocheted in. So I would say at max it should take you guys like up to 3 hours to do all of this. Overall, this hair, I mean, I couldn't ask for better crochet locks. Like, it's so light. It didn't fall apart. Like, I don't know. Like, these locks are so dope. I would definitely buy them again. Like, so easy to use. Like, I couldn't ask for anything else. Like, and I'm super hyped to like style these locks in different ways, do different looks. So the hair stops at about like my lower hip. It goes, yeah, it's really long. It's 36 inches. If you're into that look, yeah, get these. These are super dope. And they're a really affordable price. So if you're trying to look cute on a budget, or you're trying to have fall locks on a budget, like, definitely do this method. Again, I highly recommend, if you're gonna do the method that I did, get it to match your hair, because if it doesn't match your hair, I don't know what that would look like. But I think overall this came out pretty good. So if I just lean in and show you guys that. This is the middle part. And that's all, guys. I would like to thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you guys later with a new video, something else. And you know, at the end, I'm going to drop some pictures of this look. So go ahead and drop some comments. Let me know if there's any styles that you want to see me try, or any beauty videos that you would love to see me do. I mean, I'm always open to ideas. So I thank you all once again, and see you later.